Hello, Mosh here. Welcome to this video. This is very exciting because in this video I will share a website that has over 600,000 monthly visitors and they pay you for using them, literally using your phone. You can simply scroll your phone, do some basic stuff, or you can use your computer, or you can use your tablet. You can use anything you want. And the best of the best part, you don't need experience, you don't need technical knowledge. Even if you are a complete beginner to making money online, you will still be making money. Question: how much money can you make? There are two options. One is active, where you will be actively doing something totally basic and entertaining stuff that I'll be sharing in a moment. And number two is passive income that smart entrepreneurs, marketers, businessmen do. So when you start and see that it has a potential, then you will start the passive part. Or if you are motivated and you already have experience, then you will straight away go to the passive part and make as much money as you want. And it's really easy to make money. Let's go and show you how exactly it works and how to make money from this while having fun. But before that, please, if you think this video is helpful, this is a good video, please hit the like button. This way you support us and we continue to make these videos for you. Hit the subscribe button, subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button, and this way you support our channel. We love to continue to make these videos. But the best of the best part that I did not mention yet, that you are actually going to get my premium software 100% free. Links will be in the description. This software will make the passive income possible. So for the passive income, you may need a couple of tools. So we have put all the tools together in the description. They're 100% free. Go get them. But you can do it later. Right now, let's focus on the video and stick to the end of the video because there are a couple of sections. If you miss one section, you may miss the full information. So let's do this. Welcome to Zareklamy, ZAREKLAMY.com. It's very interesting and beautiful website. If we look at the analytics of this website, they have over 650,000 monthly visitors. So exciting. Why? Because the website that has that much traffic are really serious about their business, because traffic is not easy. So if you go down below, you see that they have tier 1 traffic mostly. So mostly they have North American, South American traffic. If you go down below, a little bit of Indian traffic as well. But if you go down below, you actually know where the passive income is. But I'm going to share with you in a moment. And of course, this will come with my premium software free that will help you get there fast, completely passive. Set and forget. You don't have to be on the camera. My software will help you make videos without you being in front of the camera, without you writing a script, without you giving a voiceover, because the software will do everything for you. And you don't need to create long videos because you can create small segments, any size segments, anytime you want, and save it as a campaign. Whenever you are free, add another section. This way you can complete your video. When you are done with making your video, just one push of a button, the video will be rendered in the cloud. You don't have to do anything at all. Then another push of a button, the video will be published on YouTube, and that's it. Okay, now there is the traffic details, and more traffic details. We will come to that in a moment. Let me show you the website, how it works. So this is Zareklamy.com. I don't know how they pronounce the name. Zareklamy. Okay, Zareklamy.com, and they have mobile apps, Android app, iOS app. You can download both. You can install on your phones and use them from your phones. So while you are traveling or you're waiting for a coffee in the queue, you can scroll your phone, play around, mess around, make money on the way. Or you can use your tablet or your computer when it's possible. So first of all, this is what I do, and I highly recommend you do as well. Go through the website completely, read every single word of it, because I tell you, this is a serious website and they will help you make money. So go ahead, read every single thing and understand every single thing. One more thing I want to share with you, that one of the secrets of every website lies inside the footer, and we mostly skip the footer. So they have the help center here, contact us center here, sitemap here. They have a blog that is also here. Now I'll tell you in a moment why they are so useful, but I'm just showing you the resources. These resources will help you make money faster and easier, which we all want, right? Okay, they have the products details here, company details here, legals here. Look, we missed the legal part, but in most of the cases, legal, FAQ, blogs, they are the most helpful sections. Why would you think they write blogs or they run blogs? Because they are a business. They want readers to read about them, learn more about them, and know how easy they are to use and make money. Their blog will show all these details and will help you make more money. So this is, I would say, instead of reading some random blog from here and there, read their blog. Okay, so you can click open link in new tab and the blog will open. Go ahead, check their posts, what they're talking about, and you will learn. Okay, if they don't have, don't worry about it. So I'm just saying that if they have a blog, and interestingly, when I click the blog, they don't have updated yet. Well, I apologize. Follow them on this social media. Now, Help Center. If you open the Help Center, this is the support. Very interesting. What I was talking about, the blog, they didn't really update the blog, but they updated all the sections that are supposed to be on the blog here, like beginner's guide. Very important. If you're a beginner, you are new to this website, you want to understand how this website works. And this is how, okay? This is .com, policies and support. So go to policies. I always look at the policies because a lot of cases, maybe you are from a country where particularly they banned or they limited some features or have something to do with some citizens of some particular location, okay? You need to know what that is. Maybe they pay you in a particular way that your country doesn't allow. FAQ will help you, okay? Search for get paid or search for earn, okay? You'll find, learn more about how we keep personal information safe and how you can earn. Okay, now let's go to product, which is one of them is method of earning, okay? So in the methods of earning, you will learn how you will earn money. So you will earn money by playing games, filling out surveys, watching videos, online shopping, invite people and earn. Referral program. So click on playing games. They explained how the playing games work. So you have to sign into the account and click on the menu bar and then earn and click the earn button and play games. That's it. So when you start playing games, they have some rules, regulations you should know about. Your salary depends on the difficulty level of the selected game. For each completed task in the game, you will receive as much as the advertiser will pay for meeting the criteria. The salary in this method of monetization is $1 to $100 for each completed task in the game. Woo. Okay, now let's go to the registration process. Okay, click on the registration button on top right corner of the page, and then you can register with Google, with your Google account, or use your email and password. I'll just sign up with Google. It's super easy, and literally in no time I'm inside my dashboard. Now they will ask you to verify your account by sending you an email. You have to open that email and click this button, verify your account, and you are done. Okay, now here is the money part, how you will get paid. Go to the settings section and go to the billing section, then put your first name, last name, street, house number, your complete details, choose your country and your currency and click save. There is something called payment threshold where you can click here and know about the payment threshold. So you have to minimum earn $25 in order to get paid, which is very easy. I will show you in a moment. Now this is the dashboard where you see how much today you earned, how much yesterday, last 7 days, this month, and how much balance you have, and add basic information about yourself. Click the earn section to start earning. You can play games, fill out surveys, watch videos, or online shopping. This analytics section is where you know all your data, your earning data, your activities in graphical format. So let's earn some money. In my personal opinion, filling out surveys is the best and the easiest so far. All you have to do is to click, click, that's it. Let's fill out surveys. Start with Pollfish. In order to start earning in this method, you need to complete this 1-minute tutorial. You will learn how to correctly complete the survey. So we will start tutorial. So read these questions carefully and click next step. It will make you wait up to the countdown from 7 to 1. Make sure you have enough free time. Next step, if you have completed the survey correctly, the funds will be added to the Zaraklemi account right away. In case of very long surveys, you might be paid a few hours after correctly completing the survey. The next step, now finish tutorial. Ooh, Now I'm going to start earning, click earn. I want to change the language, unlock surveys by completing your profile. So I have to click get surveys. I agree, select one. We needed more attention. Make sure you read the questions carefully. So once you are done, you will get paid. Now let's go to the passive income system. The passive income system is a referral program. First of all, let me show you why I say this is the most passive income system, because look at their traffic, where the traffic is coming from. Look at the referrals. All this traffic they have, 36% is direct traffic, the traffic that are already users, they visit their website directly. And they have 7% referral users. These 7% people are coming from all these referral websites or the referrers. Now when they visit the website, Google or the search engine knows that this is a crowded website and these people stay a lot of time in this website, which means this must be a good website. So they rank their name on top of Google search. Now interesting, for almost 50% of the searches is the name itself. So how does it happen? People search with the name Zaraklami and they end up finding their page, which is just a natural habit of people. Even for Facebook, I do the same every single day, which means these are also direct visitors. I hope this is clear. I meant to say the organic traffic they get from Google or search engines are also 50% of those traffic are actually direct visitors. So where the direct visitors come from? Referrals and social. This is how new people know about them. So now let's talk about social traffic, okay? We'll come to referral, but also social and referral are very closely related. I will connect them both in a moment. Let's go to social. You see 32% traffic from Twitter, 28% from YouTube, and from 15% from WhatsApp, Instagram, etc. How this happens? From Twitter, people tweet about them. People tweet about they played games and they watched videos and they made money. So the other people come to visit this website through referral links, because through referrals, the referrers are making money, and also the person who is referred, that person also makes some money. Again, YouTubers, reviewers, coaches, mentors, teachers, they talk about this website on YouTube, and 30% of social traffic comes from YouTube. WhatsApp messages, people share their referral link to their contacts, friends and family through WhatsApp. Same happens to Instagram DMs, etc. Almost same happens to Facebook. All these social traffic are basically referral traffic. So what I meant to say, 50% of search traffic are already direct traffic, and all this traffic are coming from social and referral. Why referral? Because referral is very easy. This is my referral link. When I will refer someone, when this person joins, nothing happens. But when this person makes money, which means $25 first payout, I will get $10. That same person will also get $10. So it's amazing, right? So I am not the one working here when I'm referring. So referrers don't work. They share this referral link with their friends and family. And when the friends and family work and make money, they get paid for free. So this is the most passive way to make money. For that, you need traffic. How do you get traffic? Link in the description will get you traffic. There are two easy ways, and you will find the easy ways here. Number 1, Twitter. Number 2, YouTube. Number 3, WhatsApp. You have WhatsApp, you can use WhatsApp. Number 2 is YouTube. Well, I'm not gonna talk about Twitter, because you know how Twitter works. You just have to tweet. But YouTube can drive you traffic for literally anything you want. Let me show you our YouTube statistics. We have actively started this channel very recently, and we continuously pump out helpful content. That's what we do. And look at this. In last 28 days, we have had over 15,000 viewers. The best of the best part, 8,000 viewers are completely unique. These are the viewers who are sent by YouTube, and other 7,000, some of them are our original customers, some of them are our existing viewers who already know about us. But in total, 15,000 viewers on a completely brand new account. Brand new in terms of when we actively started. We recently started to build this channel actively, and this is the result. I am amazed. So now you might be thinking you don't like to make videos. Don't worry about it. Link in the description will give you my software, my premium video creation software. It's free for you. Go use it, make videos, get traffic like us. Super easy.
Simply create new. Give your video a name, select vertical and click Create. You got a vertical canvas. If you want to add an image, copy image address from any free source. Paste it here and your image is imported. Now, you can resize it, rotate it, make it dramatic. You can add text, resize the text, and do all kinds of formatting. If you want to voiceover, and you want to copy from anywhere, you can do it. Just copy from any website you want or place you want. Click the text generator, and paste it right here. Use our artificial intelligence to rewrite for you or use the spinner to rewrite, it is your choice. Let's use the spinner and the text you copied from somewhere is rewritten. Copy the text, take it and go to the audio section. Either you can upload your own audio or record your own audio from your mic or use the text to audio feature to add natural voiceover using the application. Give it a name, choose your favorite voice type based on text here. Then click Submit. Your voiceover is ready. Go to the audio section. And here is your audio. Your bite-size video is ready. You can make it any length and you can add multiple bite-sized videos to make any length. Save your work to come back later and add more video sections. You can also use our templates, which we have designed for our customers. Once you are done, click the render button and the video will be rendered in the background. You will receive an email notification once the render is complete. This is exactly how we made this video right here. You can download it and then upload it or directly upload it to Google Drive, Dropbox or other platforms. Or you can directly publish it on YouTube or other platforms.
Did you like our video so far? If yes, hit the like button, subscribe, switch on the notification bell button, as this way you will get notified when we will upload our next video. Next video will come with another unique and awesome ways to make money online that will be passive too, and it will come with our premium software for free, and I will see you in the next video. Oh, by the way, don't forget to hit the share button and share this video with your friends and family who also want to make active or passive income online. This way you will look cool in front of them as you are trying to help them, and we will get some viewers. We will truly appreciate it. This way you support us and you will be supported by getting notifications and our free softwares whenever we publish a new video, and we will see you in the next video.